Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is sell yay and ruin the place. No crack ever made a gang type.
I don't know, man.
What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ?
What's crack?
Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock a homie's hustle, sweet.
Them marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps from the ballers are sweating the homies. Go put pressure on them. Just do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you right. If you and Ryder gonna handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing.
You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
We need some backup. You seen Beat Up?
But him and the homeboy Bear, they good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
Yeah? And what are you?
Hell, I don't know. Just shoot everybody, motherfucker.
I've been here for fucking ages. I can't feel my hands no more.
What you want, fool? Money?
We got bikes on our 6. Smash your smoke.
I'm going straight to the cops.
23.
Hey, Barbara, what up? Look, I'll be over there to come get you in like 10 minutes, all right?
Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up! You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this it.
Open up!
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, hold up, man. What happened to For Life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here before you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear? Big Bear, that's you? Hey, you still from the hood, homie, or
Nah,
what?
the only thing Bear give a fuck about is smoking and keeping my house clean. Ain't that right, Big Bear?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, what?
Hell yeah, sir.
Now go make that motherfucking toilet spark.
No, man.
Man. Bear, come on.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you around.
Stay the fuck from around here, punk.
Hey, nigga, fuck you.
It's just fucked up.
I see what you mean now, man. Crack can do that to Big Bear, turn him into a base slave. The average motherfucker ain't got a chance.
Damn dope fiends and drug addicts everywhere in this city. Piss me off.
Look like it's up to us then.
Cool. I'll see you at my house in a short while.
Movie theaters is still where it's at for porn.
Get out of my way.
You don't belong around here.
Okay, next stop, cop station down.
Hit me then, homeboy. Nah, but I think I'ma find out.
Give up the car and we'll spare you.
Now fuck you, Amerikansky! I'm gone!
Hey,
Sound the alarm! Up ahead, ice him.
Johnson boys rolling through. Spit it out, filthy worm.
Fire truck.
Come on, wise man, get in the car.
Got this. Yo, my dog. Look what you done did to my whip.
You're not busy unless you're doing something for us, you understand?
What's got you so spooked?
Could all personnel remember that the quarantine breach alarm test has now been moved to Monday morning?
Don't block me, homie.
Shit.
I'm going straight to the cops.
Ah, you're making me so proud of you. CJ, get up, fool!
Hey, Carl, let's hit the town or something.
Berkeley, how do you like a taste of your own hexadecimal?
Just make a move.
What was you saying?
The steering wheel ain't there for no decoration, man.
Make the jump, fool! Make the jump! Look, Carl, before I walk in there, I just need to know you down with this shit, man.
No more. You've broken me.
Johnson boy sorting shit out.
That was the funniest I've ever seen.
You're CJ, right?
You're an outsider.
He's trying to run us off the road.
Hey, look, if you hear shit start to pop off, come in here blasting, all right?
Something about Torino don't add up.
Get up alongside those motherfuckers, CJ.
Hey, the good doctor was just trying to help.
Like riding bike, ain't it, boy?
Get her in the sack, make her happy, and grab the card.
Bouncing, wobbly, massive, great tits!